In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily delete group in WhatsApp. At first, open up WhatsApp app, then just search for a group you would like to delete. I got a group here and the first step we need to enter it. Then we can tap add group's name at the very top, and if we scroll down to the very bottom, we can easily find the exit group option. Now click on exit group option. Then tap to continue exit. Now scroll down a bit and click to delete group option, and then press confirm option again to delete group. That's it. We have just removed a group on WhatsApp. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any question about the tutorial, and hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.